It's Moon 47. It's the fucking underground. In today's video, I have a very interesting topic. I've been noticing my boy Slime Cedo blowing up lately. I know you guys are thinking, okay, we already knew this was gonna happen. Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys why he's blowing up lately, and maybe you could apply this to yourselves, upcoming artists. I always thought he was too raw and too real for the industry, but they are finally letting him in. I'm going to tell you guys how this can apply to yourselves and what he did to be in the position where he is now. I say this a lot here on the underground, but I'm just going to be honest. Being consistent is what really breaks down the doors for you. For the most part, Slime Cedo had a lot of things going on in the streets, a lot of in and out of jail in his career as of lately. I really thought that he was in a bad situation, and I am glad that he's blowing up out of the from the outcome of everything that went on in his life. You would have thought that he would have blew up with the, the Lil Yachty voucher for him. You would have thought he would have blew up with the Lil Uzi shout outs. You would have thought he would have blew up with the K Supreme collabs. You know what I mean? Shout out K Supreme. But I'm gonna let you upcoming artists know this. It doesn't matter who you collab with. It doesn't matter the features you pay for. If you don't have your own persona, if you don't have your own distinctness about you, you're not gonna blow up. My boy Slime Cedo was consistent through in and throughout every other month, dropping videos. Don't ever depend on other people. Don't do it. It doesn't matter. Do not depend on them. You can't depend on these shout outs. You cannot depend on other people's names. At the end of the day, they're looking out for themselves. They might, y'all gonna have respect for each other, but at the end of the day, they're not gonna babysit your career. It's all up to you. Slime Cedo, for the most part, he took control of his career in his own hands. I'm pretty sure if Slime Cedo watches this video, he could agree with this. Slime Cedo did not have a plan B. When you don't have a plan B, it's bad, but also good. It makes you work triple as hard into the things you want. I'm going to tell you upcoming artists this. You don't gotta listen to this sort of information, but I'm going to tell you guys this: fuck a plan B. Usually you have a plan B, you are doubting yourself. Have a plan B, you know what I mean, but don't have a plan B. Slime Cedo did not have a fucking plan B. He wanted this shit so fucking bad. To a lot of people, just to know that they made it at some point, that's enough. But I don't see Slime Cedo stopping anytime soon. I find this very inspiring. When I've looked at his recent numbers, I was really proud. I felt good on the inside. I knew how bad Slime Cedo wanted this. I know how bad he wanted to have his own name, his own weight to carry. Obviously, in the streets, this is a different talk. I heard that he, has a name in the streets. So music is nothing, but now he has a name in music that could carry weight to other people. So upcoming artists, please look at Slime Cedo's blueprint. Look at what you could do to blow up. A lot of you people who slide in my DMs are saying, why am I not blowing up? Why am I not blowing up? What am I doing wrong? I'm going to be honest. You don't have anything backing up your music. You gotta have some sort of I'm not saying drama, but like some sort of, some buzz of something backing your name up. You gotta have something backing you up, bro. Something. You just can't make a SoundCloud and drop music. You gotta, if you're not really hard, you have to make up for that. If you want to blow up nowadays, because there was millions of rappers out now, you have to have something off screen that is really funny, really weird, really different, and that could correlate with your music and people could relate to it more. Shout out Slime Cedo, shout out Flu Huncho, shout out IBZB. I want to see them prosper. They've been working really, really hard on this, really hard. I want to see all of them prosper and stop sleeping on my boy IBZB. Nah, for real. It's Move for the Seventh fucking Underground, and I am out.